So there will be no need for any manual jobs, any physical jobs?
כמעט ולא.
Barely, practically not.
תתאר לעצמך,
Imagine
היו עובדים לפני 5,000 שנה,
how people worked 5,000 years ago in order to sow seeds in the ground
חורשים,
that they used to plow with some stick,
ככה הם היו מקבלים
and this is how they got their crops, maybe, a bucket of wheat grains or something.
קורן, והיו...
They used to then work on it. It was really hard.
ואחר כך אנחנו עשינו...
And later, we did it with the help of machinery, but it was the same type of work. Now, we will have to gradually
סוגי העבודות,
operate the same kinds of work, but in a different way. We already see that we're advancing toward a form where all of these crops, the yield, everything that we need for ourselves, we can do it in a very
חדשה,
new way,
בצורה מאוד
in a very
שונה.
different way,
אנחנו הכל יכולים לעשות את זה
that we can do it all
דווקא במעבדות, דווקא
in laboratories, actually, in
בקטנים,
small factories, plants, greenhouses, and it's all with the help of
מחשבים ומכשירים.
computers and machines and robots,
כמעט ולא
and
לעבוד על זה.
people will barely need to work on this at all, this one thing. But
אבל העיקר שאנחנו
the main thing is that we will operate all of these things
הצטרפות לכוח החיובי שבטבע.
by joining the positive force of nature.
אנחנו לא
That then, it's not that we will only
נמשיך לפתח
make a change
מכונות
in terms of developing machines and robots
חדשה, אלא אנחנו
and innovative technologies, but
בחיבור בינינו,
through our connection,
חיבור בינינו,
especially by the power of our connection, which is the uppermost degree of the still vegetative, animate, and human beings,
להפעיל כוחות הטבע
we will be able to operate the positive forces in nature, for them to take care
מזון שלנו בכל מה
of all of our food, of everything that we have to grow in order to succeed
שההשפעה שלנו,
in supplying our needs on all levels,
ובכל
in supplying ourselves with what we need.
אנחנו נפעיל את זה על ידי
We will do this by the good, positive force that we will generate between us by the good relationships that we'll have. This will be man's main work. And this is something that everyone will have to do. It's not that you want to or don't do.
כל אדם ואדם לאט לאט.
Every single person, but gradually, bit by bit. It's not immediately, but gradually at first. It's going to only be, suppose, men, then also women, then even children, because we will see how much by that we provide ourselves and the entire world with a force of good, warmth, that will have heaven on earth, will balance out the climate, everything.